how would you respond to this criticism that while the budget and you yourself have come to terms with the problem, you've identified the problem of skilling, and when we talk about in this event 2047, the pressures will only go up. So while you have identified the problem, the solution doesn't seem to be fully in place. You know the problem, but the solution is still half-baked, still talking to industry, you're hoping for industry response. It's just a set of announcements at this stage.
No, that's not the case. There is already a lot of work that has gone on behind the scenes. But iteration is required, and it is always required. And like I said, that is the sensitive approach of the government. And again, it's a whole of government approach. Akela mera vibhag nahi karega. Right? Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Ministry of Finance has its own views. Ministry of Labor has a big role. The interesting thing also that I want to drive focus on is the message that the finance minister gave. According skilling and education, such importance. It's a first for our country. She even spoke about how labor under Shram is providing a lot of social security to, crores and crores of our unorganized sector workers. I think from last account, the number of people who've actually registered on eShram portal is 30 crore people. Now, of those 30 crore people, that data is now in sync with our Skill India digital hub. And we use it to drive, information on what is available to that 30 crore labor force. I don't think there's a reason for L&T to turn around and say, hame construction mein hame workers nahi mil rahe. So what we can achieve is huge. And that convergence and saturation is, the mantra of government is now being well recognized. So, I mean, your criticism ke abhi taiyar nahi hai, aisa nahi taiyar hai. But we need acceptance from industry. Even our ITI upgrade scheme requires for 10,000 crore CSR. तो CSR budgets हम कोई डंडा चला के नहीं कर सकते हैं. For internship, there's no danda we're going to use. Even on an apprenticeship act, government is actively looking at it from the perspective of ease of doing business. Currently, the mandate, it's a 1961 legislation. If I do a survey of all the big corporate leaders sitting here around how many of these companies are actually giving apprentices under the act, sabka haath nahi uthega. The act mandates that if you have 30 people employed, 2.5% of your workforce has to be given apprenticeship. और नहीं होगे तो वो दंड भी एक्ट में लिखे हुए हैं, किसी को नहीं मालूम. तो government is looking at that also. We're looking at how we can improve it so that companies come on board. The goal is to increase the scale of the program. This is an incentive we're providing. This is for the industry. Industry shouldn't feel कि हम ये inspector राज हमारे ऊपर लागू हो गया. So to build that acceptance, to build that partnership will take time. It is a new announcement. Give us some more time.